Very good morning, class 7. Let's start next chapter, chapter number 9, profit, loss and discount. Let's start with the topic profit and loss. You have already learned about cost price, selling price, profit, loss, profit percentage and loss percentage. In this chapter, we will revise these concepts again and discuss some more concepts like market price and discount, and we will also discuss few more problems related to profit and loss. So let's start with the basic concepts. That is, first concept is cost price, that is normally written as CP. So first is your cost price, that we can write as CP. So what is cost price? Cost price is the price at which an article is purchased or bought. That price is known as cost price. Now move to second one, that is selling price. Selling price is written as SP. So selling price is the price at which an article is sold. So there are two things when you do any purchasing, or you have profit or loss. If your selling price is more than the cost price, then there is a profit or gain. Profit and gain both are same concept. It is calculated as, so your first formula is to find the profit. There will be profit if selling price is more than cost price. If selling price is more than cost price, then there will be a profit. So formula of profit is selling price minus cost price. Now move to next formula, that is profit percentage. To find the profit percentage, we use the formula that is profit over CP multiply with 100%. Now the third formula is, if cost price is more than selling price, if your CPA is more than SP, then there will be loss. So formula of loss is CP minus SP. Similarly, to find the loss percentage, we have to use the formula that is loss over CP multiply 100%. So these are the some basic formulas that you have already learned. Now move to some special formulas that we have to use in this chapter to make the questions easy. So move to that formulas. Before we move to that formulas, always keep it in your mind that profit percentage or loss percentage is always calculated on the cost price. So if you want to find profit percentage, you have to use CP, cost price. In the case of loss also, you have to use cost price. We can find selling price and cost price directly using the formulas given when profit percentage and loss percentage is given in the questions. So if profit percentage is given, so first case is when profit percentage is given and you want to find the selling price and cost price. To find the selling price, we will use the formula as 100 plus profit percentage over 100 multiply it with cost price. It means if you want to find the selling price, then you have to do all the addition and subtractions in the numerator. If profit is there, then you have to add it. If loss is there, then you have to subtract it. Similarly, in the same case, if profit percentage is given, but we have to find cost price. If you want to find the cost price, you will shift 100 to other side. 100 will shift in the numerator and this portion will shift in the denominator. So your required formula will be cost price is equals to 100 over 100 plus profit percentage multiply selling price. So in this case, if you want to find cost price, there all the addition and subtraction will be done in the denominator. So in the second case, when loss is given, loss percentage is given. If simple profit and loss is given, then we can use previous formulas. But if percentage is given and we have to find CP or SP, what is not given, missing quantity, then you can use these special formulas. So to find the selling price, So same formula we will use. In place of addition we will use the subtraction. In place of plus sign, just use the minus sign, and loss percentage over 100 multiply cost price. Similarly, if you want to find the cost price, 100 over 100 minus loss percentage multiply selling price. With these special formulas, you can easily solve the sums if profit percentage and loss percentage is given. Again, if profit percentage and loss percentage is given, only then you have to use these formulas. Otherwise, you have to use the simple formula, that is gain is equals to SP minus CP. Profit or gain both are same, and if loss is there, then you will use CP minus SP. That's it. And two more formulas, that is profit percentage, that is profit over CP multiply 100%, and one last formula is loss percent, that is loss over CP multiply 100%. These are the some basic formulas that is used in this exercise in this chapter. So learn these formulas properly, note it down in your notebook, and then start the exercise. Thank you so much. Have a good day. God bless you.